Okay, so use a 3-table chart for your input and output when you're trying to figure out the relationship between what's happening to the input to get the output. The input has, this will be our variable n. So when we are trying to figure out what's happening to get here, we'll substitute these numbers in for n. So the very first thing you're going to do is look at this side. Well, you can check this side to make sure that it's going up by 1 each time. And this one is. And then on this side, we want to know how much is it going up each time. So we're going to find the gap first between each of these numbers. So we're going to look at this, and if you're not sure what that is, you can start at 7 with a closed fist, and you can count up until you get to 12. So we'll say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's a gap of +5. This one's also a gap of +5. And so is this one, and so is this one. But you can use your fingers and count all the way up to find out. When we see that there's repeated addition going on with the same number, it's a sign to us that we're multiplying the input by this number here, 5. So we'll start by saying that the relation is probably 5 times the number, and then we'll try it out and see if we get that. So I'm going to put this here, and then for n, I'll substitute in 1. And now you're going to ask yourself, 5 times 1 is 5, and we have 7 here. So what would I need to add to that to make it 7? And I'd need to add 2. So let's just see if that works for the next 2 or 3, just to check it out. So you put the 5. I'm substituting this 2 in for the n, and then plus 2. So I start with the 5 times 2 because of order of operations. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So that one worked. The top 2 here worked. And we'll try it with this one now. So we'll write 5. We're substituting this 3 in for our n, plus 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 16, 17. So that one works. So we've got the first 3 that are working. And you can check these if you just want to be sure, but you probably won't need to. But let's do it and just see. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 2 is 27, so these check out. So our relation is 5n plus 2.